So basically, guys, we're looking at this grid now, and it says on the partially labeled grid below, construct a histogram to represent the distribution of the volume of petrol needed to fill the tanks of 150 vehicles. So guys, what they're basically asking you is, remember we calculated the frequency over here. So guys, all they really want you to do is draw the table for the frequency. So if we go back to let's go back to the graph for a second, or to the table. Remember, this was the table, guys, when we worked it out, when we looked at the frequency for it. 24 was the frequency for the first class. 35 was the frequency for the second class. 42 was for the third. 41 to 50 was 28. And the last one was 21, right? So basically, all they're asking us here, guys, for this part, for this little graph section, is to just plot the frequency. You notice frequency is on this side. So they're asking you to just plot the frequency for each class. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So for the first class, remember the first class was 11 to 20. That's for the first class. So we're going to draw that for the first class. Let me just put it here. 11 to 20 is the first class. The second class is 21 to 30. The next class is 31 to 40. The next class is, let me put it over here, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, and 51 to 60, right? Those are the 5 classes. And these are the frequencies for the 5 classes, guys. 24, 33, well, 35, sorry. 24, 35, 42. Let me kind of write it better. It's kind of hard to see it. Let me write it so everybody can see them. Write it so everybody can see them. Cool. So 24, 35, 42, 28, and 21. So that's the frequency for the classes, guys. So they just want us to plot it on the graph. It's kind of really easy still. Let me just show you what's up. So 28, guys, would be, well, the first one is 24. So 24 would be right here on the graph. Cool. So we're going to draw that right here. So for the first class, that's how we draw it. We draw a little bar here because they're asking for a histogram. So this is how you draw a histogram, guys. You draw the bar, and that would be 24. That would represent 24. I think that makes perfect sense. Then the next one says 35. So 35 would be right here, don't it, guys? Right? 35, because this is 30. So this is 35 over here. And we do the same thing. We draw this down. So that would represent 35. And this would be for the class 21 to 30. And for the next class, which is 31 to 40, we would need 42. So 42 is actually right here on the graph. So we'll do the same thing. And then the next one is 28. If we look on the graph properly, 28 would be right here. Yeah, right here. We draw that a little better. So 20 is here, 25 is right here in the middle. So 26, 27, 28. 28 would be right here. And the last one, 21. So 20 is right here. So there's one mark above it would be 21. And this would be it. This would be the graph, guys. This would be the graph. 24, 35, 42, 28, and 21. And this would be the histogram. This is all they're asking you for. It's kind of simple. Sir, too easy to be true. Wow, that's funny, Rosalie. I really hope so. I really hope so, because it's very easy, man. It's very easy. This section is really not too difficult, to be honest. That's it. And I'll see you in the next lecture. And remember to do your best, and God will do the rest.